Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a fantastic tip for you that's going to change the way you look at those ripe avocados in your kitchen, especially the ones that have started to develop black spots. Don't throw them away. We're going to turn those avocados into something delicious and useful avocado oil. And the best part, it's super easy, so let's dive right in. I'm using 1 perfectly ripe avocados today. First up, let's cut them in half and remove those seeds. Remember, this is all about making the most of what you've got. I'll look at these avocados. Even if they have veins, they're still perfect for our project. Now, using a spoon, I'll scoop out the avocado pulp and place it into a container. This is where the magic begins. Next, I'm going to mash this up using a food processor. You can also puree it if you prefer. The goal here is to get it nice and smooth. Now for the fun part. We'll transfer our mashed avocado into a pan over low heat. Remember to stir constantly. As we heat this up, the avocado will begin to thicken, and you'll notice the oil start to separate out. It's incredible to see. Once it reaches this point, we'll remove the pan from the heat. Now, it's time to strain it. Using a strainer, we'll separate the liquid from the solid bits. Press down with a spoon to get every last drop of that precious oil. And there you have it. I'll look at the amount of oil we've extracted from just 1 avocados. It's rich in vitamins and perfect for salads or cooking. Thanks for joining me in this avocado adventure. If you enjoyed this tip, rate it from 0 to 10 in the comments below. I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Until then, a big hug from me to you.